In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your Wix site's SEO with a few simple steps. Whether you're a seasoned website builder or just getting started, following these instructions will help make sure your pages are properly set up for search engines, and more importantly, for your visitors. First things first, you'll want to dive in to your Wix site editor. Once you're there, look to the left side of the editor where you'll spot the Pages and Menu option. This is the door to all the different parts of your site, so it's a great tool for organizing your content and making adjustments. Now, when you locate the page you're interested in optimizing, notice the More Actions icon right next to it. This icon looks like 3 little dots. When you click on it, you'll find a drop-down menu. We're interested in the option that says SEO Basics. Give it a click, and it will open up a whole new window of possibilities for your website's visibility. This brings us to the next step, filling in your SEO fields. First up is the page's title, as it will appear in search results and browser tabs. Think of this as your title tag. It's important to keep this title unique and specific to each page. Aiming for under 60 characters will keep it concise, but make sure it's compelling enough to catch someone's eye while scrolling through search results. Remember to include your main keywords here. They should feel natural and not forced, because clarity is key. Once you have your title sorted out, it's time to craft the page's meta description. In this field, your goal is to draft a brief and engaging summary of what the page is about. Keep it under 160 characters to ensure that the entire description will display in search results. This is your opportunity to speak directly to potential visitors, encouraging them to click through to your site. Make it inviting and make sure it succinctly covers what they'll find once they land on your page. Finally, the grand finale, publishing your changes. At the top right corner of your editor, there's a Publish button waiting for you to give it a click. Think of this as hitting the Save button for all the hard work you've just done. Once you click it, those changes will be live, and your page will be more search engine friendly. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your Wix site stands out in search results and attracts the audience you're looking for. Thanks for joining me today. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on getting the most out of your website. See you next time.